Hi everyone, this video is an exercise 11F question 1b, and we want to integrate x times e to the x. So this section is about integration by parts, and we use integration by parts whenever we have a product of two functions. Now in this case we have x and e to the x. So we normally start by taking the easier function equal to u, because we need to make two choices. So u and dv dx. So as you can see, we have four components, but only we make two choices, because if we know u, then we can find the u dx, and if we know dv dx, we can also find v. So the reason we need to make these choices is because of the formula of the integration by parts, which is essentially, once we have made the choices, then we can substitute into the formula and then integrate as usual. So the formula is u times v minus the integral of v times du dx dx. So essentially, here, so let's take u to be equal to x, and dv dx is e to the x. So we differentiate x with respect to, we differentiate u with respect to x, and that gives us just 1. So, and now we need to integrate e to the x to find v, but that's also equal to e to the x, right? So now we have all the four components. We just substitute into the formula. So again, formula is uv minus the integral of v times du dx dx. Now u is x, v is e to the x, so we get this, and inside we have v, which is e to the x, times du by dx, which is just 1. So that's the whole point of taking u equal to something easy, so that its derivative is also easy. I mean, maybe there might be some cases that u itself is not easy, it's not an easy function, but when you differentiate that, then the answer is easy. So we actually care about the derivative more than what the u is. And same thing applies here, because we want to take dv by dx, something that when we integrate that, which is e to the x, and that's going to be substituted inside the integral, then that can also be integrated easily. So now we just have the integral of e to the x, which is just e to the x, and that's it.